The short pixie cut is a popular and versatile short hairstyle for women. It will have all the benefits of the classic pixie but is cut shorter, which will also make it lower maintenance. Your short pixie cut will be super flattering on you and will look stunning on women of all ages. You can also change it up to better reflect your style by coloring it with exciting shades like red or green. Or, be adventurous and try choppy layers and get creative with your styling. Keep watching to discover your next short pixie haircut. While the desire to chop our hair into a pixie cut always kicks in this time of year, in 2023 the urge is hitting particularly hard. Maybe we just need to get rid of some dead weight or are simply ready for a major change now that there's a light at the end of the COVID tunnel, but short haircuts are majorly trending. And why not go as short as possible? For too long there's been a misguided idea that chopping your hair had to be some kind of political statement or edgy act. While that can certainly be the case with shaving your head, the antiquated belief that long hair is the ultimate symbol of femininity couldn't be less true. Short hair is as much a style choice and way of self-expression as a bold lipstick or a striking nail color. Still, it can be intimidating to go for a full pixie haircut. Luckily, celebrities have embraced shorter lengths with open arms, whether it's for a role in a movie, in honor of a new season, or just because they felt like it, meaning you have plenty of icons to steal inspiration from. If you've been considering taking the plunge, we suggest you watch on for the best pixie cut ideas for 2023.